Hi guys, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we're going to cook spicy firecracker shrimps. So for this recipe, you would need shrimp that has been thawed out, shelled but the tail, everything shelled but the tail, and deveined. You need 3 garlic cloves. You will need sriracha hot sauce, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, egg roll wraps, flour, and cooking oil. Let's get started. So first off, you're going to start off with 3 tablespoons of your sriracha sauce, hot sauce. One tablespoon of soy sauce. A half a tablespoon of rice vinegar. And 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Next, you want to grate your garlic cloves over in your mixture. Next, you want to take your lime, take your lime and just roll it a few times. And you want to grate half of the zest in there, just half of it. Okay, so it should look like that. Next, you want to take your lime and you want to cut it in half. And you want to squeeze the juice into the marinade sauce. That should add a little salt. A little pepper, if you like. You don't have it, that salt and pepper is optional. And then you want to mix it all together. You want to mix it really well. Then after you mix it really well, one ingredient that I forgot to tell you about is sugar. You want to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. So, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then you want to mix that in. So it should look like that. Next, you want to take your shrimp and you want to just toss it over there in it. Give it a good shake. And mix it up really good. Make sure you coat the shrimps with the marinara sauce really well. Then you want to, just place the top on a bowl, or you could put it in a Ziploc bag, and you want to refrigerate them for 15 to 30 minutes. So once 15 to 30 minutes up, I'll be back. Our shrimp have been marinating for 30 minutes now. So now you want to take your egg roll wrap. Take one. And you're going to place it diagonal, diamond shape on your cutting board like that. And you want to take and cut it across. To make 2. And next, you want to take 1 shrimp and you're going to place it on your egg roll, and you want to fold it starting from the left. So fold it, try to make it kind of tight. So fold it one good time, leaving the tail out. So then you're gonna take the top and you're gonna fold that, and then you're gonna fold it, and then the corner with the flour that I told that you needed earlier is no desired amount of flour. The flour is just going to make the egg roll wrap stick. So you just get a bowl with some flour and add some water to it to make a paste. So you just want to try to make a paste. You need a little bit more water. Okay, so once you get it to looking like that, you're pretty much good. As long as it's not too thick or too watery. So you just want to take some of that and you just want to place it on the end of the egg roll. And you want to take it and fold it over. So it should look something like this. Your tail is out and you have wrapped it tightly. You tucked it at the top. You place the flour base on it to make it stick. And there you have it. So you're just gonna do that with the remaining of your shrimp. So you just get another wrap. And get your shrimp. Start from the left. One fold. Well, maybe I should start from this side. Start from the left. One fold. Two fold. Three fold. And a flour base. And roll it on over. So it should look something like that. And you just do that, you know, the remaining of your shrimp. I have wrapped all of my shrimp. So now all I'm going to do is place them in a frying pan and fry them. So I have my pan here and I have already got it hot. You don't need a lot of oil, just a little bit, just enough to like cover the shrimps. So to test the oil to see if the shrimps is hot enough, just gonna pinch a piece of your wrap and throw it in there, and if it bubbles, then you know it's hot enough, it's ready. So we're just going to take our shrimp and place it in here. And you want to cook them for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Down on about 5. Then it won't cook so fast. So now, once they come out of the frying pan, you just want to cut one open to see if it's done. that. And once you see that it's done and your shrimp is not rubbery, then you know that it's done. And you just finish frying the remaining of your shrimp. I have fried all of my spicy firecracker shrimp. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my spicy firecracker recipe. This recipe is great as a if you use the sriracha sauce as a dipping sauce for the shrimp. It's awesome. So please comment, like, and subscribe below. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.